to my YouTube channel. So my name is Jenny Rush, and if you're new here and you want to be a part of my family, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, we're back together today. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some ways in which you can naturally treat bad breath in your house. Home remedies. You do not have to do too much. You do not have to spend so much. So let's get right into the video of today. First of all, this is a very embarrassing situation. It is not just humiliating. People tend to avoid you because your breath stinks. And well, we also know it as the garlic breath, and it's not so good. It's really bad. And so one of the ways in which you can actually treat it, mouth odor is caused by an odor producing bacteria that's in the mouth. And so sometimes if you're not having wounds, like if you do not have mouth ulcer, if you do not have tooth decay, if you do not have mouth sores or wounds, naturally you know you're going to have mouth odor. But if you know that your condition is far from any of these and you still have bad breath, my dear, your case is different, but it's not so bad. And I'm going to tell you some minimal ways in which you can just treat it in your house. One of the ways in which you can actually fight this humiliating condition is good dental hygiene. First of all, if you do not brush regularly, you're naturally going to have bad breath. If you do not also floss regularly, you're going to have bad breath. So if you endeavor to try and brush, if not twice, but at least brush every day, that is going to keep you one step away from bad breath. People forget to brush their mouth, and I do not even know what to say when I see people like that, but please try to brush every day. The next point is thumb scraping, and this one is easy to forget. A lot of people do not like to. A lot of people forget to scrub their thumbs when they are brushing, and you know that bacteria can stay on top of your thumb. So if you take thumb scrubbing seriously, it is going to help you to curb bad breath. And one of the ways, or you can actually use your toothbrush in scrubbing, is going to scrub the thin layer of the film off of your thumb. So you have to use a good toothbrush for thumb scrubbing, or you can actually use a thumb scraper. Some people find that you can find that in the pharmacy or a pharmaceutical store. You can actually get a thumb scraper, or you can use a silver spoon. Silver spoons, they actually work well. They work pretty well for thumb scraping. If you actually want to scrape your thumb and you want to make it really clean, you can use a silver spoon to scrape it. Okay, you use the silver spoon on a regular basis, on a regular basis. You can use it twice in a week to scrub your thumb, and it is going to keep your thumb clean and bacteria free. So as you know, my next point is pineapples and oranges. So many people do not know that oranges and pineapple can be used against bad breath. And for your information, I'm somebody that loves pineapples way too much because I've seen the benefits of pineapples. And so if you also want to fight bad breath, you should try to make pineapples and oranges your friend. It is not scientifically proven, but the theory works. And I know it because I've told people and they've tried it and it has worked. So you can actually use pineapple. You can actually make a pineapple juice, or chew a slice of pineapple once in a day, or you drink pineapple juice, organic pineapple juice every day, and it will help you in curbing bad breath. But after taking that, you need to rinse it off with water. And the same thing goes for orange. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C, they're great at saliva production. And you know that if you have saliva in your mouth, there is no way that bad breath is going to be able to stay there, because the bacteria stay when your mouth is dry. Let's take you to the next thing, which is water. Well, we all know water is useful, and without water we will not be able to live. So you have to take water if you're trying to eliminate bad breath. You need to drink water to avoid bad breath, because when your mouth is wet, the bacteria will not be able to stay there. So please drink lots and lots of water if you also want to fight bad breath. The next one is going to be yogurt. Okay, personally, I love yogurt. If you know me, you know that I do not joke with my yogurts, and they are always plain. And so yogurts have a good bacteria that is called lactobacillus. Yes, I was a good science student back then, yeah. So yeah, yogurt has a good bacteria, and that helps to fight not just bad breath, or it helps to fight other bacteria in other parts of the body. So not just for the mouth alone, you can actually use it to do other things. And the probiotics that are in yogurt are very, very effective to treat the severity of mouth odor. So if you know that you also have mouth odor, please do not hate yogurt, because I know some people hate yogurt. Please make plain yogurt your friend too, non-fat yogurt. Always go with mint. In as much as sometimes people think it is just to mask the symptoms, but please, if you work with mint and you keep your mouth busy all the time, probably chewing something, chewing the good things like this mint, they're actually going to help you, and they're going to reduce the whole bacteria in your mouth. They're going to reduce the bacteria that cause bad breath. So please get it. Plain yogurt work magic for bad breath. My last point is baking soda mouthwash. So we all have baking soda. It is important for every home or every person to have baking soda in his or her house. So baking soda, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate, can actually kill bacteria in the mouth. So if you make a mouthwash out of the baking soda by just adding 1 or 2 spoons of baking soda in lukewarm water. So people use warm water, but I preferably like to use lukewarm water. So if you actually use that and you make, it doesn't have to be like a paste, but it just has to be a mouthwash. It doesn't have to be thick. You make it and you just squish it in your mouth and you gargle for some seconds, preferably 30 seconds, and you spit it out. That is going to work magic for you, and it is going to help you in treating bad breath. But don't forget to treat the root causes of these problems. If you know you're sick, like some of the illnesses I mentioned before, like the tooth decay and the mouth ulcer and all the things, you have to go to a dentist. You get to your dentist and you treat those problems before trying any other remedy outside that. They're going to give you some treatment and you take those things. But if you know you do not have any of those big diseases or big problems, you just have to try these at home, and I'm sure one of them is bound to work. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. And if you have questions, please ask me down in the comment section below, or if you know other methods in which the person can use to curb the embarrassing situation of bad breath, please comment down below and turn on the notification bell to get my videos. Please subscribe. That's all I can say. And if you want to follow me on IG, my Instagram handle is right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.